Hi everyone, this is Marjorie. Welcome to my kitchen. Will you do me a favor? If you're new here, will you please subscribe and ring the little bell and you'll be notified when I upload a new video? Today we're going to do an experiment. I'm going to try making waffles for Dan. He's down the hill doing a Costco haul. So I'm going to tell you what I'm doing and I'm going to make a waffle right now. If it doesn't come out, you'll never see this video and I'll do it over again. I'm doing another recipe from Keto Made Easy. This is Matt and Mega's book from Keto Connect. One thing in this recipe, this is protein waffles. And I'm going to be serving them with raspberry Torani syrup, and whipped cream. It calls for a 1/4 cup mascarpone cheese, and I don't have any. So I thought, well, there's got to be a substitute. Cheese is cheese, maybe cream cheese. So I Googled mascarpone substitute and came up with a combination of cream cheese. I used 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. So I will tell you the recipe. What I put in here. Oh, my goodness. Forgot the eggs. Hang on 2 seconds. Grab those eggs. I did think, strangely enough, that this didn't seem to make much batter. So here we go. What I have in this NutriBullet, I don't know if this is going to work either, but I'm going to put 4 eggs, a 1/4 cup of, it says peanut butter, and all I had was Barneys almond butter, so I used my last 1/4 cup of that. It says a 1/4 cup of mascarpone cheese, and instead I used a tablespoon of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and a tablespoon of heavy cream, like I mentioned. Then it says a 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, which is what I used. Then it says a scoop of unflavored whey protein powder, which is the Isopure, that I also use in the faux oatmeal, and 2 tablespoons of butter. So I have 2 tablespoons of melted butter, putting that in. Now I'm putting in the 4 eggs. Let me open my trash bin here. Okay. Technically, I would normally do this right into a bowl to make sure the eggs are okay. But, like I said, if they're not, I will be doing this over again. If they are, you're seeing this version. 3 and 4. Now it says to do it in a mixer. So once again, I never follow recipe directions. My recipe books are usually used for, well, I would say they're usually used for ideas, basic ideas. So here comes some noise. I'm going to do this in the NutriBullet and see how it mixes. I'm going to give it a quick shake because it looks like some of the stuff's stuck on the back side there. And maybe the butter that actually kind of solidified. One more quick little. Okay. Now that's ready. This is probably going to make a bit of a mess. Nope, looks okay. Just put it on there. Now, I am using, I don't know if you can see this. Yes, you can. My Cuisinart, my Gourmet Griddler by Cuisinart. And it has waffle plates on it. Yes, you can see that. Okay. And give it a little spray of coconut oil. Although some people say don't do that. But I do. And it says to use about a 1/2 cup of the batter. So we will see. I'm pouring it in, hoping it's nice and level. Looks good to me. We're going to close that, and we're going to talk for just a minute. These waffles, which I have never tried before, I'm just being brave. I had my griddler set to 400 on the griddle setting, and the selector is set to the griddle. So what I'm going to do when this comes out, it says it takes about 4 minutes, so we're going to have to chat for a few minutes, and I will see this when it starts to steam and rise. When I was a little girl, my mother made waffles for me all the time. She had a great big square waffle iron. And when I got older, all I had was one of those little round Teflon ones that made little round waffles. And they were so slow. My mom's was a great big one, and she would make like 4 big rectangular square waffles at a time. And I thought, this little round one is so annoying. So I went on a search for something that was bigger, and I found this, and I kind of love it because I already had the gourmet panini and grill. This was from Costco, actually, but they do have it on Amazon. And I just love appliances that do more than one thing. So I decided to try making some keto waffles. This seems to have a lot of ingredients, but it was pretty fast and easy to mix it up in the NutriBullet. Like I said, I'm not sure if that's going to work good. Dan loves waffles. I used to make waffles and pancakes all the time with raspberry syrup. Now this is the Torani sugar-free raspberry syrup that I'm going to try on here. And so far, Dan is doing really well. He started keto started on Sunday. Today is Tuesday. That means we get to go to Blondie's for Cobb salad for dinner, because Tuesday, yeah, you get to double dip if you're a local, and instead of 15% off, you get 30. So that's all, like a fun little outing we always do. Cobb salad with blue cheese and iced tea. So I'm pretty sure, let me try this. Well, it's looking a little flat and not too exciting. I'm going to let it go a little bit longer here. Sorry, I always have my nose starts itching and running whenever I do a video. I don't know. So at any rate, perhaps I didn't put enough batter in there because this is a little thinner. At any rate, we're going to give this a shot. Dan is doing well. We both tested our blood ketones and our blood sugar. His blood sugar was 97 the first day. It was down to 87 yesterday. Probably lower today. His little keto sticks are turning purple. And because he's keto and I'm doing really good making food for him, we're both purple on our sticks. And our blood ketones, his were, what was he? Let me look at my little book and see. Oh, okay, you can see this. My vitamins and stuff are up there. Okay, Dan's ketones were, whoops, that's me. Okay, mine were 1.8. My blood sugar was 62, which is about average for me. Dan's his ketones were 1.2. He's actually in ketosis already. Just not fair, I tell ya. Okay, this looks pretty pathetic. I'm going to try and pull this up. And you know what I'm doing? I'm folding these little guys in half because I can see that I did not, whoa, this is really kind of dry. I can see that I didn't pour enough batter. That's the number one situation here. They are kind of falling apart, but they still look like waffles and they look good to me. So I'm going to, for the sake of the video, go right ahead. I told Dan I'd make him one when he got home, so I'm filming the video ahead of time. So you don't get to hear his opinion on these. Maybe tomorrow. I'm going to turn this off real quick so my griddle doesn't get too hot. So here's what we have so far. I am going to go, give it a big, whoa. That was kind of, okay. That doesn't work. I'm going to pump this raspberry syrup into the little cup, pour it on. Oh, they look good. They look good. I'm going to hope this actually works because it does come out a bit. Oh, there we go. It's coming out like whipped cream. So we'll go around and give it a little drizzle on each side with the whipped cream canister. Can you tell I'm having fun with my kitchen things? Somebody said you have so many kitchen gadgets. I bought myself a bunch of kitchen gadgets for my birthday. I told Dion, I said, well, don't get me anything because I bought things that I wanted. So I bought things that I'm going to be showing you how I make things with. Let's try it out. You have to take my opinion, not Dan's. You know what? They're a little flat and they're a little, but they're actually kind of crispy. I think if I put more batter in there, these would be certainly good. The almond butter and the fake mascarpone cheese that I substituted are very, very good. This is delicious. So I'm going to ask you, do you have a favorite waffle recipe? Somebody out there has to have one a little easier than this, although it wasn't really hard. Just, like I said, I changed up the ingredients a little bit. And so I'd like to say thanks. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a big thumbs up and share and comment. Keto Waffles. Bye now.